Here we are at the Pomona Fairgrounds. 30. Look at that. Look how big that thing is. Look how big that wheel is. It's over 5 feet tall. The Ashton Topeka. Weighs 374 tons, 110 miles per hour. It's 98 feet long. Wow. This is the big boy up here. It's the only one of its kind. Huh. They got air conditioning in it. This is the 4014, the big boy. Oh my gosh. Look how big that is. Holy mackerel. Look at all these ribbons. Bobby loves trains. What do you think, Bob? That big boy's pretty big, huh? Mammoth.
we redid the wood.
Say hi to Grandpa and Grandma and Uncle Andrew and Uncle Laura.
Say hi. Hi, everybody.
Bobby Douglas. Bobby Douglas.
What's your last name?
Bobby Douglas. No. Bobby Douglas what? Bobby Douglas what? Yes, right. Good job. Yay. Yeah, we can go up with some of these.
Yeah, look at this. There's a bell that you hear. Remember at the school, you hear that ding, 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 ding. That's the old timer bell. Hydraulics.
I can't believe how big this is. This is like, doesn't do it justice on the video. There's only like, oh yeah, what Thomas says is boiler here.
He opens up the boiler and there's fish in there. It's right here. Can you turn it? It opens up. You can also check the tension.
I think I only went 30 miles per hour. How slow is
that one back there, that sunset one? I'm going to go.
Yeah, they're doing some work on it. Come on, let's climb up.
Can you go up there? Can you go up there?
Yeah.
You want to go in there, Bob? I wasn't sure because I didn't know how to do it. Big step. Ready to go? You can get ready. Big step. Big step. Big step. Big step.
Good job, Bobby.
Big step.
You're doing so good. I mean, there she is.
Wow, look at this, kiddo. Get your first glimpse of what's going on inside. This is where the conductor used to sit, and well, the driver. Look, Bob. See, the coal goes into there. Remember how I was telling you with the sun kissed?
Wow.
Right here, the coal went in here. Look.
It's not built for comfort.
Look, Bobby. The coal went in here, and they used to take a shovel and shovel it in there.
Not built for comfort, big guy.
No, not at all. Yeah, then see all those guys were talking about the water pressure and the steam pressure. No, not at all.
No, not at all.
The big engine from Bob. You ready to go down? Big step. Wow. Yeah, look at all the trains.
Oh.
I didn't know what you did. Okay, another seat. Come on. Continue.
Yeah, there's more to look at, Mom.
There's a whole entire museum inside one of those seats. Yeah. Big step. Big step. Big step.
Good job, Mom.
Good job, big guy. Woohoo!
Your shoes are holding up, huh?
How fast did this one go? 80 miles per hour.
Good places. Yeah. I just can't believe how big it is. What's this one? This thing only goes 90.
Right? One of them goes 110.
This is the largest. It was retired in 84 and then. Wow.
There's a couple more things you can see, son. Yep, let's get my dog.
Yeah. Everybody contributed. Look at that.
Grandpa Bob.
Amazing.
Oh, that's not our truck, son.
Caboose. It's a caboose.
Ooh, Bobby, a caboose. The end of the road.
And they have a furnace in there. Keep going.
Look, stairs don't take you to anywhere. It's like the Winchester Mansion. Come on. Bye-bye, Joey. Look what this one used to look like inside.
Oh, here's the refrigerator, babe. This one's like an ice cooler. Look. This one keeps things cold. It's a cooler. Wow. Yeah.
You're transporting ice.
Or things that need, meat packer.
Bye-bye, caboose.
Meat packer, Gustavus Swift sought way to ship dressed meats from Chicago packing plant to Eastern markets.
Oh, you know the caboose?
Swift-fired engineer Andrew Chase designed a ventilated car that was well insulated and this is nice. Wow. It's pretty cool, man. Look at this. This holds 16,152 gallons. That's crazy. Yeah, steaming. Oh, we're past 10 minutes.